Today, I'm going to show you how to become certified for QuickBooks in 2026. First, open your browser and search for Intuit QuickBooks certification. In the search results, open the official Intuit or QuickBooks website. Avoid ads or random third-party training pages unless you specifically want paid training. Once you're on the official page, look for the option that says Sign up for free. Click Sign up for free. From here, QuickBooks will ask you to either sign in or create a new account. If you already have an Intuit or QuickBooks account, sign in with your email or user ID and password. If you don't have an account yet, create one by entering your basic information. After signing in, QuickBooks will take you through the setup process. Follow the instructions on the screen until you reach the certification or training area. From there, you'll be able to access the official QuickBooks training materials, review the lessons, and complete the certification assessment when you're ready. Make sure your account information is correct because your progress and certification details will be connected to that account. So the process is search for Intuit QuickBooks certification, open the official QuickBooks page, click Sign up for free, sign in or create an account, then follow the on-screen instructions to access the training and complete your certification. And that's how to become certified for QuickBooks in 2026.